Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can search something on Google by a picture. It's a very simple process. To learn it, watch the full video. First of all you have to do is make sure that your data connection is on. When your data connection is on, then open a picture from your gallery. Now I'm gonna search this picture on Google. So in doing this, all you need to do is just tap on the share icon. Now here you'll see search image. If you can't find this option here, then open your Google app, then tap on this camera icon, and now from here select the picture you want. Now tap on this picture, and now here you'll get your search result. As you can see, I have searched this image and the search result shows up here.